my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Julie Motori. If it's your first time here, and if it's not, Karibu Sana. So guys, today I'm gonna be doing a cleaning video and I'll be showing you how I deep clean my kitchen, and we're gonna be doing that from start to the end. So let me show you how everything is looking over here. Things are so dirty, but some maneuver. I start with cleaning my utensils. And once I'm done, you can see everything is spotless clean. So we head on to the next step, which is like wiping my countertop. I wipe off the soapy water on the countertop before I start the actual cleaning process. So guys, these are the products I'm going to be using for the cleaning process, and we start off with this vinegar and bicarbonate of soda, and these two together work like magic. So they help to disinfect the sink and they also leave it looking very shiny. I love to empty my vinegar in a spraying bottle to make the cleaning process easier. So then I just come in and scrub the sink, getting rid of any stains or hard water stains on the sink. The next product I'm going to be using is this sunlight beam, and I love to use beam on this sink because it also leaves it looking shinier.
Say what you want to say to me now. I want to wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I want to wake up with you in the morning. Say what you want to say to me now. I want to wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I want to wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around.
So the next thing I'm going to be using is this Astonished Specialist Cleaner, and it's the extra strength multi-purpose with bleach cleaner. So I love using this on these white tiles because it has bleach, and I also use it for the sink as well. So this is how it looks. So I leave the product for like 2 minutes and then come in with this clean towel and just wipe off any darts. Wow, look at this sink. It looks brand new, y'all. It looks so shiny. So the next product I come in with is this kitchen cleaner, and I use this to clean my countertops and most of the surfaces in the kitchen. I'll be using this product. So let's get right into it. So the next step in our cleaning is cleaning this cooker, and first thing I do is get rid of these racks so that I can remove any excessive dirt beneath. So I'm using the kitchen cleaner by Astonish as well, and this product, you guys, is 100% effective. Like, I will definitely recommend this product. It helps to remove any grease on the cooker and leaves it looking very shiny, as you can all see. So next step is wipe off any excessive water on my utensils and just place them in their respective places. I also love to clean this plant. It's an artificial plant I got from Home Decor 254, and I love to clean it using this spraying bottle. So once I'm done with that, I love to change my kitchen towels and just replace it with a clean one for the next day. So this is how everything is looking, guys. Everything is clean, shiny, spotless, looking brand new. Yeah, I've done some good work, and I hope you enjoyed this cleaning video. If you have any suggestions, any kitchen decor ideas, comment down below, guys. I love when you give me feedback, so don't forget to like, share, and comment. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'm gonna see you on my next video, guys. Cheers.